In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect custom domain to Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your workspace to manage domains and what to look for before you connect your own. Make sure you're signed into your Base44 account and that you have access to the app you want to publish. Start by opening the Base44 app in your browser. Once you're in, head to the apps area. This is where all of your projects live. You'll see a list of apps tied to your workspace. Choose the specific app you want to put on a custom domain and open it. Selecting the correct app now prevents confusion later, especially if you manage multiple environments or test projects. From within the app, go to the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control center for that app. It's the place that brings together app-level settings and the links you'll use to publish or manage how your project is accessed. Next, open the Domains section. This is the dedicated space for everything related to how your app is reached on the web. If you're new to this page, take a second to scan it so you're familiar with the layout. On this page, look for the Custom Domains area. You'll typically see messaging that points you toward using your own domain. That's your confirmation you're in the right place. If you manage branding or need a professional URL, this is exactly where that setup begins inside Base44. Now, a quick but important note, custom domains are available on the builder plan and above. If you see a notice about plan requirements, that's just Base44 letting you know you need the correct subscription to unlock the feature. If your current plan doesn't include it, you can upgrade and then return to this same domains page to continue. Once you're on the correct plan and in the custom domains area, Base44 will guide you through the next steps right on that screen. It will show you what it needs from you and you'll follow the prompts there. A couple of practical tips as you proceed. Make sure you have access to your domain registrar, double check any values you copy, and give changes a little time to take effect if something doesn't show up immediately. That waiting period is normal and depends on your provider. To recap, open Base44, go to Apps, choose your app, head to the dashboard, and then into Domains. In the Custom Domains section, confirm your plan includes the feature and follow the on-screen guidance provided there. That's all you need to confidently start connecting your custom domain in Base44.